Okay, ganito po magpalit ng mga pages ng ating lower ECAM. So example, this is your ECAM control panel. You can see engine. Alright, you have the bleed, pressure, your AC, your DC, your hydraulic, to include even your circuit breaker, like the APU, your air conditioning, the doors, the wheels, the flight controls, and you have the fuel. Kung nasira yung mga post button switches natin, you can nakikita nyo all post button, pwedeng isa-isahin na ganyan, or pwede yung press and hold. I-press and hold mo at magbabago yung ano niya, mga different pages. Alright, yun. So this is the upper ECAM. Yan, close, open. Pero kapag in-off ko, magta-transfer siya doon sa ilalim. Alright, and if you on it, of course babalik, but it needs 40 seconds to initialize. Alright, so yan yung ECAM natin.